Hi guys, it's me, the Dangerous Beauty, and I'm back with another segment here for you on YouTube. So I am currently in the Dollar Tree, and today I wanted to just pretty much share with you how to get yourself a dollar pedicure while we're all in quarantine. I know some of y'all been used to wanting Nancy Tran in them, but today, honey, we're gonna show you how to get you some pedicure on a budget, okay? So right now we just pretty much in the beauty aisle, number 11, which is one of my favorite numbers. Yeah. And you know, Dollar Tree be pretty much having knockoff items. You know, you can pretty much find knockoff items anywhere in the Dollar Tree, but I was going to share with you some of these items that you can get from the Dollar Tree that can really get your toes right. I also did go to Target. I got a few things for myself because I'm really about to hook it up. I usually do my own toes anyway. Y'all know I went to beauty school, so I really don't rely on others to do my feet. But you know, you can get you some of these. I used to have this one brand called Miss Manicure. I don't see it here. Let me take my mask down. But Miss Manicure was a pretty good one. It's really cutesy and came in a little pack in there. And it comes with a clipper and a little emery board and also one of those things for your toes. I don't, for whatever reason, this one look like it's only one in here. They look like they jipping, but maybe it's two. It's just stuck together. But this one is an 8-in-1 sassy and chic. This one I probably would recommend. So I don't know if you can see it, but because it comes with the toe separators in this, a couple of them. It's individual. This one in an emery board, and then it also has, I think, one of those things to push your cuticle back too. So that's always good. You need one of those. I always suggest a nail buffer. They even got these cute little things here too. You know, I find these in the Target. That's for your lash applicator. We talking about toes today though, so we're gonna stay focused. First, you can pick out your color. As you can see, everybody likes to test the colors before they buy them. This little lilac one is cute. That would be a cute one for spring pastel. You know, I like to hook it up. This reminds me of Teddy. I think it's called Teddy Bear or Teddy by OPI. Another thing is, oh, that's cute. OPI. If you want to get it for inexpensive, you can go to. I like to go to this place called Bill's Outlet, where I'm at, and the OPI codes be like $3.99, and on Fridays you get 15% off, so that's always a plus you can do. This looks like a pretty good one. It's $1, but some of them be really like whack, but just like one-time use. But I think that's a pretty good. You use that for your feet or your hands, your nails, for your manicure. You can get one of these. And also, I would suggest you can get you a basin too, just a little foot basin. Like they got little white ones. I already have one at the house, and you could decorate it, make it look cute, so it don't make you feel like you're just washing it with a foot basin. You know, and put you some warm water in there. They also have this pretty good lotion. I'm gonna show you. It's called Dermacell. I've used it before. It's pretty decent for the Dollar Tree. Always look at that back though, you know, because you don't know what kind of ingredients they're in. A lot of times I don't really recommend the Dollar Tree for a lot of stuff, but this is pretty good. We use this actually at a manicure station we did when I was doing this thing with this lady, and she actually did nails for Butter London, and we used this, and we put them in she put them in really nice jars, and we did the lady's nails at the event we were at. So this worked. Get you some Thermacell. It's pretty good. Basic ingredients, not too many, but that works. And put that on your feet after you are done. I would always recommend getting you some there's this, they have it's by the brand Yardley. I got some. It's activated charcoal soap. I would put that in the warm water when you're doing pedicure. You could even use like shave gel for your feet, and with that, and get you a pumice stone, Dollar Tree, and scrub the back of your heels, honey. They got foot powder. You can get you some of that too for your pedicure. I mean, there's just so many things. I'm not gonna buy everything here, but there's just a few items that I'm gonna get, like a pumice stone. So I'm gonna do my feet because they're looking like barracudas, but there's options here so you can make sure your toes is looking right. They even have options for you to get this one, or you can get this one, or you can get something with fragrance. I personally wouldn't recommend that, but you know, it's Dollar Tree. I'm really yeah. Just certain items I get, and I don't. It's really cool up in here because Elf is up in here too. Some of y'all was going to Target. I just came from Target, and they have some Elf stuff, but some of the stuff is, you know, like probably a little dated. But I mean, if you already use Elf, you can come here to the Dollar Tree and get you some stuff. They got some facial wipes. I came here actually for some cosmetic wedges because I was gonna be doing me some makeup. but actually I decided against getting that foundation I was going to get. But this is really cool. They got the whole section. You can do some press on nails. You can do your own nails. I mean, seriously, you can really quarantine beauty spa day. Okay. Up in here they got more emery boards. These I like to get too, just a little quick go to real quick. And you know, take care of yourself. We can go down this other aisle because I gotta give me some stuff because I'm about to be baking. Y'all know I do some of that too. But yeah, those are pretty good. I was gonna show you the little basin, foot basin that you can use for your feet. Let me see if I can find it. It's white, or you can just use a nice little bowl. I wouldn't suggest using a foil tin can. It's kind of ghetto. If you want, you can buy you some crystal geyser water, alkaline. I think it's in the section where you buy all your what do you call that stuff? I'm sorry, y'all. I'm losing my train of thought. I think it's in the section where you buy your other stuff. I like to use these little bowls. They usually come 3 in a pack. There's some that have 3 in a pack. But I use these for baking and stuff. You can also use these for your there they are. They're 4 in a pack. You can use these for your beauty treatments also. 4 in a pack. There they are. I found them. I'm telling you, Dollar Tree got everything. And some of y'all be dipping your braids. I just did my hair with my braids. Get you a picture. Dollar Tree. Use a popcorn bowl if you need to. But anyways, you know, you can come here for your snacks too. Are you giving yourself a pedicure? Make sure you come here, dip your snacks. You can get you a tea mug. Real cute. Dollar Tree got everything on for $1. But yeah, that's my quarantine spa day for yourself. Make sure you get you some of that. And take care of your toes and take care of yourself, alright? Talk to you guys soon. Bye.